Want to replace the valve of your coffee machine? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? Pliers, a screwdriver, and a new valve. Step 1. Remove the casing. Start by unscrewing the screws at the back and remove the back panel. Take the water reservoir out of the machine. Slide the sides of the casing loose. Unscrew the screws from the top and front of the casing. When removing the top, be careful to gently disconnect the earth wire. Step 2. Remove the old valve. Disconnect the hose running to the valve. Unscrew the screws of the valve. Unlock the milk hose and pull the hose out of the valve. Then disconnect the cables at the front and on the motherboard using pliers. You might want to take a photo so you know exactly where everything goes when putting it back. Now you can take out the valve. Step 3. Install the new valve. First, reconnect the cables to the right spots. Attach the milk hose and lock it securely. Place the new valve where the old one was and tighten the screws firmly. Reconnect the other hose and put the front panel of the casing back on. Step 4. Put the casing back. First, reconnect the earth wire and put the top